What's up everybody, Tony here with High Tech Check, and today we're going to be taking a look at Whitestone Dome's tempered glass screen protectors for the brand new iPhone 14 Pro Max. So here we have the Dome Glass EZ, which doesn't use any liquid adhesive. You just simply put it on your phone and you're done. And then here we have Whitestone Dome's Glass Premium Screen Protector that does use liquid adhesive. Now I will be putting links in the description in case you guys want to pick this up yourself. And if you guys like me and you want to support my channel, please use those links when purchasing because it helps me keep purchasing products to do reviews for you guys. And I'd also like to give a huge shout out to Whitestone Dome for sending these out to me so I could do this review for you guys today. So let's go and get started. Alright, so first up is the Dome Glass EZ. So this comes with 3 rear camera protectors, our installation packet, our installation guide, and 3 tempered glass screen protectors. So the first thing you're going to want to do is to clean off your screen, then dry it off really well. Remove any dust from the screen. Then take your guide, we're going to press it over the phone. Make sure where it says top is towards the camera on your phone. Take one of your screen protectors, peel back the protective cover on the underside, and then place it inside the guide just like this. Then run your finger right down the middle. Then hold down the phone while lifting up on the guide gently, and then look for any bubbles. So installation was pretty seamless. Screen protector looks really nice, feels just like the glass that's on the phone. Touch seems to be working fine. No issues with touch. The screen is crystal clear, very nice. As you can see, there are no bubbles, and it is full coverage. So it does cover the little sensor there, but there's no issues with Face ID. As far as fingerprints goes, it does seem to pick up some fingerprints, but you can easily wipe those away without hardly any effort. There you go. And we'll see if the screen protector is case friendly. It looks like the screen protector comes right up to the edge of the case, but there is no lifting, so you shouldn't have any issues there either. So now I'll go ahead and test out our scratch resistance. We're going to go ahead and start off with a level 5. Then we'll move on to a level 6, and then finally a level 7. So as you can see, there are no scratches at a level 5, but there are scratches at level 6 and a little deeper at a level 7. So the scratch protection for this tempered glass screen protector is definitely on par with other premium screen protectors. So now let's go ahead and put on our rear camera protector. So again, you want to clean off your lenses really well. Alright, so take one of your screen protectors. All you need to do is peel back the sticker and don't touch the underside of the protector itself. Then we're going to line up the holes of the screen protector with the camera lenses. And that's what it looks like on your phone. It doesn't add a lot of extra bulk to the back of the phone either. And then if you're wondering how it fits inside of a case, it fits perfectly fine. Now your lenses are protected. Let's test out the scratch resistance of the camera protector. Again, we're going to start off at level 5. And we're going to move on to a level 6. And then a level 7. So as you can see, there are no scratches at level 5. There are slight scratches at level 6. And just a little deeper at a level 7. So not bad at all. Alright, and then here we have the Whitestone Dome Glass Premium Screen Protector with liquid adhesive. So before we begin, this installation does use a UV LED, which does require power. So you're going to want to get a power bank or a power adapter from your phone so you can plug in a USB Type A cable into it to power up the UV LED. So here we have our installation packet, our installation jig, our bridge, 3 vials of adhesive, stickers to cover our ports and our speaker grill, and 2 tempered glass screen protectors. So the first thing you want to do is to take your stickers and we're going to cover your buttons and ports all along the sides of the phone. So your phone's going to end up looking just like that. All your buttons and ports properly covered. Then you want to clean your screen off with the alcohol wipe. Then we're going to dry it off and use the dust sticker to remove any dust. Then you're going to take your plastic jig with the camera cutout right here. You're going to take your phone, make sure the camera cutout is in the right spot, and just drop it into place, just like that. Then you need to take your little speaker mask. We're going to peel it off, holding the little piece like here, just peel it off just like that. We're going to simply just cover the speaker grill on your phone. Make sure that's pressed down really well into place, and you do have a little slot that the little speaker sticker is going to sit in. Then you're going to go ahead and take the top part of your jig. You're going to put it over the top of our phone. Just kind of rests in place just like that. Then you're going to put the little felt pads along the side in the channels here. Then you want to take this little black plastic piece here. We're going to stick it in the slot over the top of your phone just like that. Then we're going to take the little bridge and we're going to put it into the slots over the phone just like that. Then take one of your vials of adhesive. We're going to take off the pink cap. Then we're going to take that and put it in a little hole of the bridge and unscrew the black cap, letting all the liquid adhesive come out. Once all the liquid adhesive is out, you can go ahead and put the cap back on. Then you want to remove the bridge. Then take your screen protector. We're going to peel off the underside, just like that. Then we're going to put the bottom piece of the screen protector inside the jig, just like this, letting it rest over the black piece, just like that. Now, very important, you need to keep the little bubble in the middle of the screen, and we're going to press down on the bottom of the jig here. The little bubble will move to the middle of the screen. There's a couple arrows in the middle here. We want the middle of the bubble to reach the middle of the arrows. Then we're going to just simply pull out the little plastic tab and all the adhesive will adhere to the screen. Now you can pick this up and move it if you need to. Just make sure that the bubble ends up in the middle where the arrows are. Okay, pull out the plastic piece, and as you can see, all the adhesive is now going all over the screen. Now what you need to do is just let it be. Do not touch it. We need all the adhesive to go all over the screen before we can do anything else. It should only take a couple minutes. Then once the adhesive has reached the whole screen, we're going to then get our UV light. We're going to cure the top, middle, and bottom for 15 seconds each. All we need to do is press in this little button here one time and it'll do a countdown. Then move it to the middle, 15 seconds, and then the bottom. Okay, then once that's done, we're going to go ahead and lift up the jig very carefully. Then we're going to take out our phone and we're going to clean it. Make sure there's no adhesive anywhere underneath the phone. Everything looks pretty good. We'll go ahead and take off the little speaker sticker. Everything looking good, no adhesive in the speaker. And if the screen looks good, you don't see any liquid adhesive, you should be good to go ahead and do the second curing. So now we're going to do 60 seconds for top, middle, and bottom. Again, all you need to do is simply press the button 2 times and it'll count down 60 seconds. And then the top. Once that's done, you can go ahead and take off your stickers. Okay, so there is the screen protector all installed. Very nice and clean. I don't see any leaking liquid anywhere. No bubbles either. Very nice installation. It is also a full coverage screen protector, but it does leave a little gap around the edges for case friendliness. Feels just like the glass on the phone. Touch is nice and clean, nice and clear. No issues with touch either. And Face ID also works perfectly fine because it is crystal clear on the front. Let's put it in our case. As you can see, there's still a gap between the case and the screen, so you don't have to worry about lifting, and it should be compatible with a lot of cases. It does pick up some fingerprints, but you can easily just swipe those away with minimal effort. Very nice. So now we're going to test out the scratch protection. Again, we're going to start off with a level 5, then a level 6, and then a level 7. Alright, so as you can see, there's no scratches level 5. Again, there are at a level 6 and a little deeper at a level 7. Again, pretty much on par with other premium tempered glass screen protectors. And then if you're wondering how to take the screen protector off if you need to, or if it leaves any residue underneath, all you need to do is simply take something plastic, maybe like a little pick or a credit card, and we're going to just simply put it underneath the screen protector and just work our way around the edges. As you can see, it is starting to lift already. And then just easily lift up on the screen protector. Now it did crack at the bottom here because I did do the scratch test, but it comes up pretty easily. and there's no residue left on your phone except for the little pieces that we scratched off the screen protector before. All you need to do now is just wipe off your phone with an alcohol wipe, and you're right back to where you were before you put the screen protector on. So as you saw, it really wasn't hard to install either one of these screen protectors. You can just follow my guide and you shouldn't have any issues whatsoever. They both fit really nice on your screen and offered some really good protection, as well as being case friendly. So again, I will be putting a link in the description in case you guys want to pick these up yourself. And if you guys like me and you want to support my channel, please use those links because it helps me keep purchasing products to do reviews to you guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that little notification bell to let you guys know when I put out new videos. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you have a great day and I'll see you in the next one. Later.